This is a foldable keyboard with a touchpad. It's a pretty sweet little gadget if you're into working light and mobile. This was gifted to me for the brand in exchange for my review. This foldable design is super compact. Once folded, it fits easily in my backpack or even a large pocket, which is great for travel or coffee shop work sessions. When it's open, the keys feel surprisingly full size, so typing doesn't feel cramped like it does on most portable keyboards. The built-in touchpad is a huge plus too, responsive enough for basic navigation, so I don't always have to carry a separate mouse. Pairing it via Bluetooth was quick, and I love that it can switch between 3 devices, which is perfect for juggling my tablet, phone, and my laptop. Battery life has been solid. I only change it every few days with pretty regular use. If I had to nitpick, the touchpad speed isn't adjustable, and a couple of keys need a firmer press than others, but overall it's a super handy keyboard for working on the go. If you want to get your hands on this product, go ahead and click on the link in the description below, and hit that subscribe button and never miss a review.